Hi, and welcome to the world according to Larry. Today's video is the first of a three-part series of videos. In this video, I will show you how to install new brake pads on a 6th generation Camaro SS. The brake pads I used are the Powerstop Extremes Z26 pads, which in July of 2020 ran for about $80 a set. But to be honest, this is the first car I've ever done the brakes on where the calipers didn't need to be removed to get to the pads. It makes me wonder. I must say this though, it's always recommended to turn your rotors when you put on new pads. I will not be covering that in this video. I will be covering calipers and rotors in subsequent videos. I'm going to try these brake pads out. These are the Powerstop Extremes, Street Warrior, the Z26. They're supposed to be low dust. Right here. Clean ride, low dust technology. Really hoping for that. Now, the brake pads I have on were still pretty good, but they're just so messy. Go. It was relatively easy. See that? If you take out the top pin, the bottom pin becomes much easier. So what we want to do, apply pressure to this here, pull the pin out. This comes down, and the second pin becomes much easier. Because there's no pressure now on this. Take your hammer and push, and push, and then pull. You need these pistons all the way in to reinstall your new pads. If you don't do that, you're going to be stuck. Trying to think of a creative way to get those pistons in. And you have new brake. So we got brand new clips, a little caliper grease, and the pads. They're all identical. There's no inboard, outboard. It should go without saying. not to put it on the pad face. Hey, 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 watch my camera. Watch my camera. Nice and easy. Why don't you go?
All right, come on, Joe.
I'm Abby. So, is there any truth to the dustless claim? Let me show you. Now, it is May 18th. Last time I washed this car was February 20th. I don't want to hear it. I live in New Hampshire. It snows. It snowed in May. It rains every other day. So, and you want to criticize me for not washing my car? Shut your sneeze hole. Let me show you how filthy this car is. All right, you see that? Now look at this wheel. If you have the OEM brake pads, you already know. Like, I would wash my car and within 100 miles, it would be filthy. This has been 12 weeks. I do 300 miles a week in this car. Look at this. I can't tell you enough how low dust these pads are. You do need to replace your OEM pads with these pads. You've been experiencing the world according to Larry, and I'm Larry, and this is the world I live in. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you did, please like it, subscribe, share it, and I totally appreciate comments. And until the next time, I'll be in my world.